Get excited about the 2012 Chrysler Town Country. It features a front-wheel drive platform, an automatic transmission, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Top features include front fog lights, a rear window wiper, a built-in garage door transmitter, automatic temperature control, a power rear cargo door, removable floor console, and much more. Storage solutions are integrated throughout the interior, demonstrating thoughtful attention to detail. Passengers in the third row enjoy seat-back reclining functionality, providing an extra level of comfort and convenience. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Rear LCD monitors provide entertainment that your passengers will appreciate no matter how far the drive. Curtain airbags combine with standard stability control in creating a comprehensive safety network. A Carfax history report indicates just one previous owner. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.